Here we have a 67 plate BMW 320D. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels, as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports brakes just behind. We've then got the M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, as you can see by the front black splitter. We've also got a black kidney grills. Coming around to this corner you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, M Sports badging just beside, just there. We've then got the black side skirts, privacy glass for the rear passengers, black trim around the windows, shark fin antenna at the rear. You've also got the spoiler just there, adding to that aggressive styling. How fantastic does that look? Now as you come to the rear, you've got the dual exit exhaust tips on the left hand side there. You've also got rear parking sensors with a visual display inside the vehicle, and as you can see the car itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now let's go have a look at the interior next. Starting at the rear, we'll just unlock the door. Full black leather interior with the blue stitching, and how fantastic do these seats look. ISO fixed points within the seats. You've got your premium Harman Kardon sound system, gloss black trim, electric window controls and more of that leather with the blue stitching. In the front here you've got that same full black leather interior. Now both front seats are heated, which can be controlled in the centre. On the doors you'll find that familiar Harman Kardon sound system, gloss black trim, brushed metal handle, electrically adjustable mirrors with your electric window controls, auto light controls. You've also got the speed limiter and cruise control. There's a look at the speedometer, and of course the infotainment screen in the centre with plenty of great features. Now we are still awaiting a full valet on this vehicle, but as soon as it gets one we will be filming a more in-depth video showcasing all of the car's features. Until then, if you would like to learn more about the vehicle, have a look down in the description below where you will find all of the relevant information. Well, that is all from me on today's video, so thank you for watching.